Well, it's June 8th. I'm out here cleaning out all my pea plants. It's too hot for them now. So, figured I'd make a little video. I think I made one about growing them, how I grew them. I did a 4 foot by 4 foot square and packed just a ton of plants in there. So now I'm just ripping them out, and one by one, and I'm looking at them, and I'm taking scissors and cutting off all the pea pods that are remaining. And I got a pile. I can't see anything. Maybe right there. Is that it? Not very good film crew today. But so I'm pulling them out one by one, getting all the pods off. Some of them are looking like this, and the outside gets kind of papery, and it's got the pods in there. These are, they've completely done their thing, and these are the ones that I'm going to take out and bag up to grow in the fall. So this is how you save seeds. It just rips right apart. Rip it up, get the pods out, and these are good to plant again. So I'm actually looking for the longer ones, because like this one will be a good one, because these are the ones that I like, because I got more peas out of them without having to shell as many. So this one right here, all these peas in here are going to turn into pea plants in the fall. And another thing about peas is they fix their own nitrogen from the air and suck it into the plant and into the soil. So they're not like heavy feeders. Like if I had cucumbers here, I couldn't just pull them out and plant something else, because they would have sucked all the nutrients out of the soil. And peas don't do that. They fix their own nitrogen. So, here's my little doggy, a little helper. But so I'm just pulling these out, and they make for good compost, and put them in the compost pile, full of nitrogen, very good. Keeping the seeds, and then I'm going to plant some okra. Today I'm going to plant okra and pole beans. So, but you're good to plant right here, right after you pull them out. This soil should be good enough to grow something else. So, that's what I'm talking about today. Y'all take it easy out there.